Hello and welcome to the Thompson Professional Networks Podcast. I'm your host, Ryan Richard Thompson, and today we're diving into the world of business automation. Before we get into the exciting developments happening right now, let me take you back to where it all began. Thompson Professional Networks was founded in 2002 with a clear mission to design, install, and manage data infrastructures for businesses that needed reliable technology solutions. For years, we focused on building rock-solid network foundations that businesses could depend on. But as technology evolved, so did we. What started as a data infrastructure company has transformed into something much more powerful. Today, TP Network specializes in creating custom LLM and AI workflows that streamline business operations and automate those time-consuming repetitive tasks that bog down your productivity. In today's episode, I'll walk you through how we're helping businesses of all sizes leverage artificial intelligence to gain a competitive edge, save significant time and resources, and position themselves for future growth in an increasingly automated world. When we launched TP Networks back in 2002, the business landscape was dramatically different. Cloud computing was in its infancy. Smartphones weren't yet ubiquitous, and AI was still largely confined to research labs and science fiction. Our initial focus was straightforward but essential: designing robust data infrastructures, installing reliable networks, and providing ongoing management services that businesses could count on. During those early years, we built our reputation on technical excellence and reliable service. We helped countless businesses transition from basic client-server setups to more sophisticated network architectures. As virtualization took hold, we guided clients through those complex migrations, always staying ahead of the technology curve. The pivotal shift in our evolution came around 2015, when we began to see the emerging potential of machine learning and artificial intelligence in solving real business problems. What started as experimental projects for forward-thinking clients quickly revealed the transformative power of these technologies. By 2018, we were actively developing custom automation solutions using early machine learning models. The results were impressive. Tasks that once required hours of human attention could be completed in minutes with greater accuracy and consistency. The true game changer came with the emergence of sophisticated large language models. We recognized immediately that these weren't just incremental improvements to existing technology. They represented a fundamental shift in what computers could do for businesses. Today, TP Networks has fully embraced this new frontier. We've evolved from network infrastructure specialists to AI implementation experts, helping businesses harness these powerful tools in practical, profit-driving ways. Our journey reflects the broader technological transformation happening across industries, from manual processes to automated workflows, from reactive systems to predictive intelligence. What hasn't changed is our commitment to practical, business-focused solutions. Even as we work with cutting-edge AI technology, our focus remains on delivering measurable results for our clients. Let me be crystal clear. AI is no longer optional for businesses that want to remain competitive. What was considered a luxury or a nice-to-have just a few years ago has rapidly transformed into a fundamental business necessity, regardless of your company's size or industry. The data tells an undeniable story. Businesses implementing AI solutions are seeing 40 to 60% reductions in operational costs for specific functions. Customer service response times are dropping from hours to seconds. Sales conversion rates are climbing by double digits when AI-powered personalization enters the equation. Your competitors aren't waiting. The manufacturing company across town is using predictive maintenance AI to reduce equipment downtime by 35%. The local accounting firm has automated document processing, allowing them to handle 3 times the clients with the same staff. That e-commerce store you compete with, they're using AI to optimize inventory and personalize recommendations, driving 28% higher average order values. The competitive gap is widening daily. Companies that adopt AI now are creating efficiencies that allow them to undercut prices, improve quality, or both. They're freeing their best people from mundane tasks to focus on innovation and customer relationships. Meanwhile, businesses waiting on the sidelines face an increasingly steep adoption curve. The good news? The barrier to entry has never been lower. You don't need a team of data scientists or massive infrastructure investments. Today's AI solutions are accessible, scalable, and designed for practical business applications. The technology has matured to the point where implementation is measured in weeks, not years. The question isn't whether your business will adopt AI, but when and whether you'll be leading the charge or playing catch up. Every month of delay means falling further behind organizations that are already leveraging these tools to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Let's talk about what AI actually looks like when implemented in your business. At TP Networks, we focus on practical applications that deliver immediate value, not theoretical use cases that look good in presentations, but never materialize into results. Customer support is a perfect example. We've built AI systems that can handle up to 80% of routine customer inquiries without human intervention. These aren't the frustrating chatbots of 5 years ago. Modern AI support systems understand context, recognize customer sentiment, and can access your entire knowledge base instantly. One retail client reduced their support ticket backlog by 63% within the first month, while their customer satisfaction scores actually increased. Automated sales funnels represent another high-impact application. We've developed systems that analyze prospect behavior in real time, dynamically adjusting content, offers, and follow-up timing based on individual engagement patterns. For a B2B software company we work with, this increased qualified lead conversion by 41% while reducing the sales team's administrative workload by approximately 15 hours per week. Document processing is transforming operations across industries. Our AI solutions now extract, categorize, and route information from invoices, contracts, and forms with greater accuracy than manual processing. A logistics company implemented our system to handle shipping documentation and eliminated 23 hours of weekly data entry while reducing errors by 91%. Inventory and supply chain optimization is delivering particularly strong results. By analyzing historical data, market trends, and even weather patterns, our AI tools help businesses predict demand with remarkable accuracy. One manufacturer reduced excess inventory by 34% while simultaneously decreasing stockouts by 26%, a previously impossible combination. Meeting scheduling, a seemingly simple but universally frustrating task, has been completely transformed. Our AI scheduling assistants understand email context, manage complex calendar rules, and negotiate times between multiple parties, all while maintaining a natural, human-like tone. Executives report saving 5 to 7 hours weekly on coordination tasks alone. The key to successful implementation isn't just the technology, it's the thoughtful integration into existing workflows. We design systems that complement your team's strengths rather than disrupting established processes. The result is technology that feels like a natural extension of your business rather than a forced digital transformation. Let's talk about the economics of automation. When businesses hear terms like artificial intelligence or machine learning, there's often an assumption that implementation will be costly and complex. The reality couldn't be more different, especially when we look at the return on investment for automating routine tasks. Consider this: the average knowledge worker spends 28% of their workweek managing email and nearly 20% searching for information. That's nearly one half their productive time consumed by tasks that can be substantially automated. At TP Networks, we've seen small businesses reclaim 15 to 20 hours per employee per month through targeted automation of these routine activities alone. For a 10-person company, that translates to regaining approximately 2,000 hours annually, effectively adding an extra full-time employee without the associated recruiting costs, benefits, or management overhead. The financial implications are significant when you consider that these hours can be redirected toward revenue-generating activities instead of administrative maintenance. The ROI becomes even more compelling for mid-sized organizations. One of our clients in professional services implemented our document automation system and eliminated 76% of their manual data entry. This saved approximately $127,000 annually while simultaneously reducing errors by 94%, errors that previously required expensive remediation time. Even solo entrepreneurs and freelancers see transformative results. One consultant we work with automated her client onboarding process, saving 4.5 hours per new client. This allowed her to take on 40% more projects in the first year without extending her working hours or sacrificing quality. The beauty of modern AI solutions is their scalability. Unlike traditional software with steep licensing tiers, many AI implementations can start small and grow proportionally with your business. A boutique retail operation might begin with simple inventory forecasting that saves 3 to 5 hours weekly and reduces overstock by 22%, then gradually expand to include customer personalization that increases average order value by 17%. What about implementation time? Legacy automation projects often required months of development and integration. Today's AI tools can deliver measurable results within weeks, sometimes days. We recently helped an accounting firm automate their accounts payable workflow, which was implemented in just 11 days and delivered full ROI within the first quarter. The most significant cost savings often come from error reduction. Human errors in data entry alone cost businesses an average of 30% of their annual revenue. By eliminating these errors through automation, companies not only save direct costs, but also avoid the reputation damage and opportunity costs associated with mistakes. For businesses operating in regulated industries, compliance automation delivers particularly compelling returns. Manual compliance tracking typically consumes 25 to 30% of staff time in these sectors. Our automated compliance systems reduce this burden by 65 to 80% while simultaneously improving accuracy and creating comprehensive audit trails. What truly sets TP Networks apart in the crowded AI implementation space is our unwavering commitment to practical solutions. We don't believe in technology for technology's sake. While our competitors might dazzle you with complex terminology and theoretical capabilities, we're focused on one thing: measurable business outcomes that impact your bottom line. When you work with us, you won't hear us throwing around unnecessary jargon like neural network architectures or transformer-based language models unless it's actually relevant to your business needs. Instead, we speak in terms of hours saved, revenue increased, and costs reduced. That's the language that matters to your business. Our implementation process reflects this philosophy. We begin by understanding your specific business challenges, not by pushing the latest AI trend. Whether you're drowning in customer service tickets, struggling with inventory management, or spending too much time on data entry, we identify the operational pain points where automation delivers immediate value. This pragmatic approach extends to how we build solutions. Rather than creating complex systems that require a PhD to operate, we develop intuitive tools that your existing team can use with minimal training. The best automation is invisible. It simply makes your current processes work better, faster, and more accurately. We also recognize that not every business process needs AI. Sometimes simpler automation tools are more appropriate and cost-effective. Our technology-agnostic approach means we'll recommend the right solution for your specific needs, not the most expensive or flashiest option. The results speak for themselves. Our clients typically see productivity improvements within weeks, not months or years. And because we focus on practical applications rather than theoretical capabilities, the learning curve is minimal, and adoption rates exceed industry averages by 37%. This no-nonsense approach extends to our pricing models too. We believe in transparent, value-based pricing tied directly to business outcomes. No hidden fees, no complicated licensing structures, just clear connections between investment and return. Let me share some real-world examples of how our AI solutions have transformed businesses across different industries. Take Riverview Medical Practice, a mid-sized healthcare provider that was struggling with patient scheduling and follow-up communication. Their staff was spending over 20 hours per week just managing appointments and sending reminders. After implementing our AI-powered scheduling system, they reduced administrative time by 85% while decreasing no-shows by 37%. Their office manager, Jennifer, told us it's like having 3 extra staff members without the additional payroll. Then there's West Coast Construction Supply, a regional distributor facing inventory management challenges. Before working with TP Networks, they were either overstocked or frequently out of high-demand items. Our predictive inventory AI analyzed 3 years of sales data alongside seasonal trends and supplier lead times. Within just 4 months, they reduced excess inventory by 22% while improving fill rates to 98.5%. The CFO calculated savings of nearly $400,000 in the first year alone. For Hudson Valley Winery, customer engagement was the challenge. Their tasting room was thriving, but they struggled to maintain relationships after visitors left. We implemented an AI-driven customer journey system that analyzed purchase history and tasting preferences to create personalized communications. The result? Their wine club membership increased by 42% and direct-to-consumer sales grew by 56% in just 2 quarters. Small businesses have seen equally impressive results. Consider BrightPath Accounting, a 5-person firm drowning in document processing during tax season. Our document intelligence system now automatically categorizes extracts and organizes client financial information. What used to take 90 minutes per client now takes less than 15, allowing them to increase their client base by 40% without adding staff. Even solo entrepreneurs like career coach Madison Reynolds have transformed their operations. Madison was spending 65% of her time on administrative tasks instead of with clients. Our AI workflow automation now handles her scheduling, follow-ups, and even creates personalized resource recommendations for clients based on session notes. She's increased her coaching hours by 60% and raised her rates due to improved service quality. These aren't outlier examples. They represent the typical results our clients achieve when implementing practical AI solutions tailored to their specific business challenges. Now let's talk about how we actually bring AI transformation to your business. At TP Networks, we've developed a structured yet flexible approach to building your AI strategy from the ground up. We begin with a comprehensive discovery process. Unlike consultants who arrive with prepackaged solutions, we first immerse ourselves in understanding your business operations. Our team spends time observing your workflows, identifying repetitive tasks, and uncovering inefficiencies that might not be obvious from the surface. We interview team members at various levels because sometimes the people doing the day-to-day work have the most valuable insights about what could be automated. After discovery, we develop a customized AI implementation roadmap. We prioritize solutions based on 3 factors: ease of implementation, potential ROI, and strategic importance. This phased approach means you'll see early wins within weeks, not months, building momentum and team buy-in for your AI transformation. Implementation typically follows a 30, 60, 90-day structure. The first month focuses on quick wins, automating simple but time-consuming tasks that deliver immediate relief to your team. By day 60, we're implementing more complex workflows that might integrate multiple systems. And by the 90-day mark, we're fine-tuning and optimizing based on real performance data. But our partnership doesn't end at implementation. We provide ongoing support through our AI CAR program, which includes regular system health checks, performance optimization, and adaptation as your business evolves. Many of our clients have been with us for over 5 years, continuously expanding their AI capabilities as technology advances. We also emphasize knowledge transfer. Your team receives comprehensive training on managing your new AI systems with both technical documentation and plain language guides. Our goal isn't to create dependency, but to empower your organization to leverage these tools independently. What sets our approach apart is our relentless focus on measurable outcomes. Every solution we implement includes clear success metrics defined at the outset, so you'll always know exactly what return you're getting on your investment. As we look to the future of business automation, one thing is abundantly clear. We're not just witnessing an evolution in how businesses operate, we're experiencing a revolution. The companies that will thrive in the next decade aren't just the ones with the best products or the most capital. They'll be the ones that have successfully harnessed AI to create unprecedented operational efficiency. The question isn't whether AI will transform your industry, it's whether you'll be leading that transformation or scrambling to catch up. Every day you delay implementing intelligent automation is a day your competitors might be pulling ahead, streamlining their operations, reducing costs, and delivering superior customer experiences. At TP Networks, we've been helping businesses navigate technological change since 2002. What started as network infrastructure has evolved into comprehensive AI workflows that are helping companies just like yours achieve what once seemed impossible, doing more with less while improving quality and customer satisfaction. Whether you're looking to automate customer support, streamline your sales process, or eliminate repetitive tasks that drain your team's creativity and focus, we have practical solutions that deliver real results. No technical jargon, no empty promises, just smart automation that works. The future belongs to businesses that act today. Visit TipNetworks.net to learn how we can help build your AI strategy or reach out for a consultation. Let's create a future where technology handles the routine so you and your team can focus on what truly matters: innovation, growth, and delivering exceptional value to your customers. Welcome to Thompson Professional Networks. I'm your host, Ryan Richard Thompson.
And I'm Sandy McNamara. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on something pretty extraordinary that we've been working on behind the scenes.
That's right. You know that last episode about automating your business workflows? Well, here's the twist. It was 100% built with AI tools.
From the script to the edits, even the visuals and show notes, every single element was generated using our internal natural language system.
We deployed the same LLM technology that we use in our client projects, like the phone assistants that answer, respond, and even route calls automatically.
So, while you were hearing a story about automation, the episode itself was automated. Talk about practicing what we preach.
And we're taking it further. Even this conversation you're listening to right now, generated by the PPN natural language model, we're essentially co-hosting with our own code.
But this isn't about replacing creativity. It's about amplifying it. We still drive the message and strategy, but AI helps us deliver it 10 times faster.
It means fewer late nights and more brain power focused, where it really counts solving problems for our clients.
Plus, it gives our clients a chance to hear exactly how our AI flows sound in real-world conversation. It's a living demo of what we can build for them.
Whether you're running a solo operation or managing a growing team, AI isn't a luxury anymore. It's the competitive edge your competition is already chasing.
From customer support bots that never sleep to sales funnels that think for themselves, the smartest businesses are letting machines do the heavy lifting.
If you're ready to automate your voice workflows, whether it's podcast scripts or 24/7 phone support, you know where to find us.
Visit tpnetworks.net. No fluff, no jargon, just results.
That's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining us at Thompson Professional Networks.
And maybe thank the robot behind the mic. We'll catch you next time.